A globally online business platform refers to a digital space where businesses and individuals from around the world. It can connect, collaborate, buy, sell, and conduct various commercial activities over the Internet. These platforms provide a virtual marketplace that transcends geographical boundaries and enables seamless interactions between buyers, sellers, service providers, and customers. Such platforms typically offer a range of features and tools, including e-commerce. E-commerce is online marketplaces where businesses can list and sell products, and consumers can browse and make purchases. For examples include Amazon, eBay, and Alibaba. Freelance and services. Freelance and services is platforms that connect freelancers and professionals with clients seeking specific skills or services. For examples include Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal. Business to business. Direct business-to-business platforms that facilitate transactions and collaborations between businesses, such as supplier sourcing, procurement, and partnership opportunities. Digital payments. Online payment, integrated payment gateways and secure transaction processing to facilitate seamless financial transactions. Communication tools is features like messaging, video conferencing, and chatbots to enable real-time communication between parties. Analytics and data insights is tools that provide businesses with data-driven insights into their performance, customer behavior, and market trends. Logistics and shipping integration. Seamless integration with logistics partners for order fulfillment, shipping, and tracking. Marketing and promotion. Tools to help businesses promote their products or services through digital marketing and advertising campaigns. Customization and personalization. Tailored user experiences based on preferences, history, and behavior. Security and trust. Measures to ensure data security, privacy, and build trust among users through reviews, ratings, and verification processes. Global reach. The ability to reach a diverse and expansive audience, transcending geographical limitations. By leveraging these features, a globally online business platform enables entrepreneurs, small businesses, and even large enterprises to access a global customer base, expand their reach, streamline operations, and enhance their competitive advantage in the digital economy. These platforms have become an integral part of modern commerce, reshaping how business is conducted and opening up new opportunities for growth and innovation. Thanks for watching video.